All right. You need 4 quarts of water to cook a pound of pasta. We're going to use 0.4 liters. Al dente. All right. We're going to bring this to a quick boil. It takes about 2 minutes. Wait for it. All right, it's about 3 minutes. I was wrong. We're doing other stuff. It starts to bubble. We have 1 pound of penne rigate and rich macaroni products. And it's got durum wheat semolina. I'm going to put it back on the fire, but this time we're going to put the lid on it. Wait for it. And there you go. Cook the pasta for like 5 minutes. It dried out the bottom and started to stick a little, but you could see all that moisture on the bottom. That's how you know you're done. Some of them did stick, but once I add the sauce to this, it'll be just fine. Most efficient method of cooking pasta, period. And now I gotta go do something, so I'm just gonna put it back on the stove. Al dente, it's still cooking, so the moisture that was absorbed on the outside of the penne rigate is seeping through, and you'll have a perfect al dente pasta. When you add a full half a liter, you don't get that al dente. All right. Welcome to my channel. Love you.